the Velu Nayakan of Vasai branch, our chairman Xavier Rajan. In fact, Velu Nayakan used to be a epic film in which Kamal Hassan acted, portraying a character in this very part of Mumbai. The vice chairman of the board of studies, in fact, if the vice president is the vice president for the members, the vice chairman of board of studies is the vice president of the students. So already you have become vice president, sir, for the students in the first year itself. In fact, board of studies is a huge responsibility, let me tell you. When I overheard one member telling something to Durgesh Bhai, I was extremely thrilled, because that is how a central council member should be known as. Okay, generally people see presentations. Here I am the presentation. I have never made any PPT in my life. I have spoken in some 20 countries all over India. More than 2000 talks I would have given till now from the last 21 years. So never made any PowerPoint presentation. I don't give any written material also, because if I give a written material, it will change the next day. That is consumption taxes all over the world, let me tell you. So coming to Durgesh Bhai, so when one member commented on him, I felt extremely happy and thrilled, because that is how a central council member should be known. He is meant for that only. So one member met him and immediately he said, "Kya Durgesh Bhai Eid ka chand ho gaye ho?" A central council member should be Eid ka chand for the branch, for the place from where he comes, because he is intended to work in New Delhi, not in Mumbai. You have not elected him to work in Mumbai. You have elected him to work in New Delhi. That is why many people feel that there is a disconnect. Central council member हो गए, दिखते ही नहीं है, बड़े आदमी बन गए, फ्लाइटों में घूमते हैं, होटलों में ठहरते हैं. अरे सुबह 4 बजे उठ के रात को घर पे 12 बजे आके तो देखो, पता चलेगा. एक दिन नहीं, डेली. 5 स्टार होटल में सिर्फ लगेज रखते हैं, निकलते हैं, रात को आते हैं. So I mean, whether it is 5 star or 2 star or 1 star, bed is a bed, that's all. You go and fall flat. I am not praising Durgesh Bhai, nor I am praising, because I am also a central council member. So I am only telling you, the life of a central council member is extremely difficult. And suddenly there will be some WhatsApp messages creating tension. Ye kya ho gaya, wo kya ho gaya. And board of studies, you know how it will be. Everyday students, and now examination is going to come. He has to be very ready, because सर ये क्वेश्चन पेपर में ऐसा आ गया, ये क्वेश्चन गलत है, ये वो है. Am I right, Durgesh Bhai? So you should be very ready now. फौलाद का सीना होना चाहिए. That is how you have to be when you are in board of studies, at least, or even as a central council member. And today being the day of Easter, we greet our chairman Xavier Rajan sir. In fact, we should appreciate him, because today is one of the most important day in a person who is from the faith of Christianity. We cannot call it Diwali. Diwali is basically Christmas. Maybe the next festival, which is almost equal to Diwali, is for them today. So you have had a program today. We are all very happy. In fact, when you told that today is a program, I was a little bit skeptical, because today is Easter. And how can he, being a follower of Christianity, have a program today? That was my basic, when I spoke to myself. Then I said, yes, I will come, because since he is having it. We greet you, sir. And we also greet everyone, because today is the day when one human being who was born was accepted as God. That is what has happened in Christianity. And then coming to the indirect taxes work that we do in the committee. All of you are aware. I did not tell you anything, because it's been going on for last so many years, and last 3 years, 4 years have been very hectic. You're going to have Madhukar Hirigange, the immediate past chairman of the committee, was there for 3 years, who steered the committee very greatly. So I'm not going to tell you anything on the committee, because you know the work of the committee. And very recently the GSTN day was celebrated, the first year of GSTN. The foundation of GSTN was celebrated, in which See, what happens is, when anything wrong happens, वो सबको immediately फैल जाती है. जब कुछ गलत होता है तो everyone starts talking about it, everyone starts discussing about it, everyone starts pinpointing fingers. But when something good happens, no one speaks about it. One excellent thing happened. GSTN very proudly invited the Institute's President, Vice President and Chairman of Indirect Taxes Committee and thanked them with a plaque, with a shield, for the great work which the ICAI did for implementation of GST in this country. We all of us should be proud of that. See, all of you, just go 5 years back, if our chairman is organizing a program only on indirect taxes, only on service tax, full day program, how many of us will be here? Maybe few, maybe all, maybe for CPE credit, may not be for CPE credit. But today, every chartered accountant is practicing GST, isn't it? All of us. What I started 21 years back, I have never practiced income tax, never practiced company law, never practiced FEMA, or nothing other than indirect taxes in my life, 21 years of practice. And today I see so many of my friends. Those days I was alone. Ekla chalo re, they used to say, no. Today, so many of us are together. It's a nice feeling. At the same time, I will tell you, the awareness which our chartered accountants have created among the trade, industry, commerce, in GST especially, I can equate it to the heights of the Himalayan mountains. So others' problems are our problem. That is what the industry thinks. Yesterday GSTN did not, the site did not work for a few hours, yes? Yes or no? Yes. See, I am not standing here and giving a lecture. I am engaging in a conversation with all of you. So yesterday, about 1 or 2 hours, the site did not work. It was, and WhatsApp messages were running here and there. क्या होगा भाई अरे ये तो वापस hang हो गया. Clients will come and bang us कि हमारा return file नहीं हुआ, penalty होगा, ये होगा, yes or no? So we felt as if our returns are not being filed. So whatever is the others' problem is our problem. Whatever are the issues of others are our issues. And whatever are the solutions that we can give, sometimes they are not there also. We want to give a solution, but there is no solution possible because it's not in our hands. The client will give you the work and they'll go and say, sir, ये आपको दे auditor साहब को दे दिया है ना, वो देख लेंगे. Auditor साहब का प्रॉब्लम हमारा नहीं है, हम तो पिक्चर जाएंगे देखने के लिए रात को. Auditor साहब रिटर्न फाइल करेंगे. Now, I have been asked to come and speak to you on issues on GST and GST audit. GST itself is a big issue. Take from section 1 to about 150 sections. So many number of notifications, circulars, rules, clarifications, orders, and etc., etc., etc. So I told one of my I forgot the name of the person who was there sitting next to me when we are having breakfast, that I will speak for a few minutes, then I will throw open questions, the floor to questions. From anywhere they can ask me any question, I will answer to the best of my abilities. And thankfully, Mr. Ratiji, who was sitting next to my left here, he said that many of us seated here are SMEs, small and medium practitioners. All the clients are dependent on their chartered accountant for anything that is tax, whether income tax, wealth tax, gift tax, corporation tax, entertainment tax, GST, whatever it may be. Anything tax means CA only. CSR, auditor has to do. So I will try to answer any question that you have, you can put to me. Now, few of the things which I thought I should raise here from this podium. How many of you are filing GST return of your clients? Can you please raise hands? Very good, thank you very much. How many of you are filing income tax returns for your clients? Wonderful. What is the difference between filing a GST return and filing an income tax return? Please tell, anyone can tell me, no problem. साल में एक बार करते हैं, क्या करते हैं? हाँ, क्या है, जीएसटी बोले तो मुझे दादा कोंडके का नाम याद आ जाता है. I don't know how many of you, I mean, I am not from Maharashtra, but then I have seen all his films. What chairman missed telling was that I am a film fan. Almost 90% of the films I see that are released. हाँ जी, हाँ, अच्छा मेरे हाइट के थे क्या? अच्छा, see, GST and Dada Kondke films are almost the same. The title will be very expressive. अंधेरी रात में दिया तेरे हाथ में. And you are invited to go to that film. अरे क्या दिया क्या लिया देखेंगे. And if you go and see, you will think something, the film is something. You thought GST, it is CGST, SGST, IGST. है ना? Now, make the title interesting. Make the package interesting. And people will come to you. That is what has happened in GST. We had VAT. VAT was there. But we never followed with that title because that was not a good title. VAT means someone VAT दारू पी के सो गया 69 है यार. So no. So we kept GST. We don't want VAT. So title is interesting. Now let me tell you, we should sometimes feel proud. Feel proud because we are the only country in the world to implement GST in this manner. You can laugh, but I can tell you, the only federal country in the world to implement consumption tax at the federal, the central level and the state level. Both the governments having a law, both the governments levying a tax, both the governments collecting a tax. Our nearest neighbor, if I can say, is United States of America. The federal government there does not have power to collect consumption tax, levy consumption tax. Are you aware of that? When many people give example of USA, they may not know that the central government of the Donald Trump government of the United States of America cannot levy GST. They have no power in their constitution. And if you take the nearest neighbor, Australia, which also has this federal structure, the tax is levied and collected by only one government, the federal government, and they distribute the tax collected in terms of certain proportions to the states there. But here, the central also collects the tax, the state also collects the tax, the central levies, the state levies, and in between also we have something called IGST. Isn't it? So, and it is a tax on consumption. See, when GST was about to be implemented, I was little bit sad that there are many Facebook posts, WhatsApp posts saying that some 10, 20 countries list is there, and next to that country is the rate of, some rate is saying that this is the GST rate in that country. Singapore 5%, Australia 10%, Malaysia 6%, Belgium 10%, this so much percentage, only one rate. India 0, 3, 5, 12, 18, 28, so many rates. Which is false. Every country in this world where GST is implemented, 150 plus countries, has more than 3 rates. More than 3 rates. 0 is a rate. Someone said, sir, Singapore only 7% GST. Singapore is a dot in the map of India. औरत की जो बिंदी होती है ना, वो सिंगापुर है. That's all. Your bindi, madam, we are sitting there. That is Singapore. That's it. That's all. No comparison. First thing we should we should be proud of what we have implemented in this country. No government, I am not talking, it is not one day, it is not Narendra Bhai Modi or Manmohan Singh, it is the effort of collective efforts of everyone. 10 years it has taken, we must be proud that we have implemented this law. Sir, 300 notification, circular, order, ये सब आ गए जुलाई 1 से अभी तक और आएंगे. Consumption tax. It is a dynamic law. This law will change as the economy fluctuates. Upar niche, niche, upar. This law will fluctuate. It will not be a static law. There cannot be one law at all. This law will be used to control. This law will be used to create a demand. This law will be used to increase the supply. This law will be used to balance out also. This will, and one thing that has happened in GST is, it keeps everyone active, it keeps everyone on toes. Have you ever read in life like this? Every day? CA में पढ़ा था सर एक बार बस हो गया. But now daily, isn't it? रोज के रोज पढ़ना पड़ता है, कुछ व्हाट्सएप मैसेज देखना क्या जीएसटी का क्या है, आज क्या चेंज है. हाँ सर, डेट एक्सटेंडेड, वो नोटिफिकेशन कहाँ है, ट्विटर में आया है, नोटिफिकेशन नहीं आया ना. जीएसटी काउंसिल ने क्या बोला, अरे दे टोल्ड बट उसका तो नोटिफिकेशन नहीं है. नहीं है तो नहीं है, दैट्स ऑल. नहीं है तो नहीं है, दैट्स नो लॉ. सो it is a dynamic law, I have to tell you that. It will keep you on your toes, it will keep you active, it will keep you overactive sometimes. But it is one law which will ensure that your clients ultimately respect you for what you are. For what you are, let me tell you that. Whether they respected you in income tax or service tax, I don't know. But once GST came, auditor के पास जाना है. Because they know only one person, chartered accountant. Some of my friends who are in the profession of advocates, they said, sir, what happened, sir? Any litigation will come in GST? No work, sir. कुछ काम है सब आप लोग ही कर रहे हैं. It is true. But then when we are going to talk of certain issues today, I will tell you how there may be litigation. It is not that everyone would have done things correctly. You would have seen whatever happening, some GST invoices are not there, invoices are issued but goods are not there, bogus invoices are issued, वो 10,000 करोड़ पकड़ा, वो 2,500 करोड़ पकड़ा, लाखों का कुछ है ही नहीं अभी तो, only crores only. सर उसने 1 लाख रुपया लिया सर, अच्छा बढ़िया. Don't talk 1 lakh and all, don't talk small amount, लेना है तो करोड़. Don't talk about lakh and all, insult. Insult है वो. So in crores only things will happen now. And one thing that is happening in GST is unifying the country as a whole. Taxes unifying a country, never has happened. If the rate of this, the tax rate of this mineral water bottle, assume this is mineral water, this is drinking water, nil GST. If assume this mineral water rate is here 12%, the same rate in Tamil Nadu, Chennai also I am paying 12%. There is no differentiation. But can differentiation come? Yeah, it can come. But then GST Council has to approve and then it has to go in as a law. Now, all of you did 2018 audit? Return filed, sir? Tax audit filed? Not filed. अभी करेंगे, ठीक है. भाई साहब ने किया नहीं है, पेनल्टी कुछ गवर्नमेंट को, you will become patriot by paying more money. Many of you have done the tax audit of your clients, isn't it? You have filed the returns, everything, सब trial balance tally हो गया, all एकदम पक्का. Now, when you are going to do GST audit, I will say, you should have 4 trial balances. 4 trial balances. Sir, 4 different नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं. I am not telling different trial balances of the same year. I am telling part. April, May, June. April 2017, May 2017, June 2017, because that is VAT related. उसको ऑडिट करना पड़ेगा ना. योर स्टेट इट इज 25 lakhs, isn't it? हाँ, that also is done, over, चलो, that is हो गया, खत्म. Then July to March, isn't it? Then 9394 was removed, isn't it? So from that period to that period, then advances on goods removed in November. That period, July 1, 2017 to November 14 or 13, 2017, that period, advances on goods separately. Yes or no? So 4 trial balances you should have with you. Four trial balances you should have with you when you are doing the audit. Are we having it? We will create it. We will have to create it from the already available trial balance. Then, registration. See, what happens is, Kapoor Saab, they are from Kapoor Solutions. Silent mode में कर दीजिए, ठीक है? Young boy, so your tune also is like that only. Registration. All of our clients are registered, isn't it? In GST. Sir, सब automatically registered हो गए, sir. Everyone was transferred. Nothing called as no registration. But suddenly some of your client may come up and say, sir, I had one branch there, उसका address उसमें नहीं आया है. One thing which you should be very, very, very clear, even before you commence the audit, is that you must ensure that your client's registration certificates are before you to see whether the address that is there on the certificate tallies with what is coming in their invoices and all. Very important that is. Normally we overlook certain things. That for reference purposes, have it in your file at least once. And how many of our clients are traders basically? You have traders also as your clients, yes or no? Many of you are dealing with traders. Can you raise hands? Yeah, there are many of you. They will have hundreds of products, no? Hundreds of products, some of the traders basically, or at least 50 minimum. You must know the rate, GST rate of each and every commodity. Each and every commodity that your client is dealing in. Within the commodity itself, there may be a difference in rate. Like for example, milk. If you say milk, no sir, no GST, tap. No. Milk itself has 4 subdivisions, isn't it? क्या हुआ? ये अलार्म क्यों बजा? देखो भाई कहीं कुछ हुआ तो नहीं. जीएसटी ने सबका बजा दिया है. ये भी बच गया. Now take the case of milk. Milk, flavored milk with nuts. Nut means badam pista, that nut. There is a difference in rate. So nil is there, there is 5, there is 12. सिर्फ फ्लेवर्ड मिल्क का 5, उसमें बादाम का 2 टुकड़े डाल दिए तो 12. तो छोटे छोटे इतने से ही रहेंगे. It is 12%. So varying different rates will be there. Electronics and electrical, my God, big confusion. Is it electronic or electrical? ये लैपटॉप क्या है? electrical equipment or electronic goods. So, all of you are going to face challenges in rates, whether it is goods or services. And across the country, people are going and getting the advanced rulings also, isn't it? And we are getting influenced by advanced ruling. Even though it has been told very clearly that a person who seeks advanced ruling and the person to whom it is given, it is meant only for two persons. The person who sought the ruling and his jurisdiction officer. They are like husband and wife. Applicable only between them, two of them. But we have interest in others' affairs. क्या हुआ? So we keep referring to advanced ruling. देखो उसने वैसा बोला, he told that one, he told that, she told that. I am telling you today now, don't get influenced by any advance. It is a matter between husband and a wife, that's all. They will fight. And then they will become the greatest of the lovers on earth, like ek duje ke liye. And if you go in between, you are finished. Don't do that. Never be influenced by any advanced ruling. Sir, advanced ruling aaya, theek hai, rakh do. Don't read also. Don't read and get your mind influenced. Think that whatever you are doing is correct. Whatever you are doing is correct. Because that advanced ruling is applicable only to that person. That's not even that next chair who is sitting, no, for him also it is not applicable. That is the kind of sanctity advanced ruling has got. Then, coming to matching. Wherever there is matching, there will be mismatching also. Isn't it? Chairman sir is married. Correct? Once. Okay. You are married. So matchmaking was done. After many years you found it is a mismatch. What I am telling, what she is telling, no one knows. Some objection. Not after many years. At least he is very wise. So wherever there is matchmaking, there will be a mismatch. Your 2A won't tally. GS chairman, sir, ये उसमें दिख ही नहीं रहा है सर, रहेगा तो दिखेगा ना, नहीं है तो कैसे दिखेगा? Now, these are very important issues which all of you are going to face. And one big question which many of them have asked to the committee as well as to me, sir, audit रहेगा क्या? Yes or no? Whether we will have to do audit for the year 2018 June, sir, 2018 March, 2019 June, then what happens to 2019 March, another extension 2021? Another extension 2021, what will happen? Isn't it? But let me tell you, my friends, there will be audit. The government will not issue a notification saying that no, 2018 audit is postponed, you need not do anything, we will do only 2019. No. Government said, whatever, do it, we will extend up to December also. Why you are worrying? Sir, June is very close. Why you are worrying? 31st December 2019, you do audit for March 2018, 31st March. It is good in one way. So much responsibility is cast on chartered accountants. Government says, you are the adjudicating authority. You are the person who are going to tell me whether your client has done correct or not. You are the person who is going to either collect more tax or ask for a refund. You are the person who is going to say whether his records are correct or not. A lot of responsibilities are cast on the professional. There are many others who are waiting in the queue to say, sir, we also should be allowed to do the GST audit. Government said no. Whatever we have selected, that's all. Only they will do the audit. No others will do it because they are the adjudicating authority for me. The Indirect Taxes Committee is coming out with a technical guide, a very concise technical guide will be released very soon on your GST audit. The draft was finalized only yesterday. So after it goes for vetting, maybe by 30th of April or so, the concise technical guide will be on your on the institute's website as well as available for distribution to the members. So if you, and each client that you are going to audit will be a different. You have to treat the client differently, not all in one, and no one audit program will fit every client of yours, let me tell you. You may have to sometimes prepare a different program for each client of yours. It will be necessary also. So, and once you have done this year, your next years will become very easy. Because this is the most challenging. The first years are the most challenging years. That is where the challenges will arise. So, having said this, I am not going on any other section, chapter notes, etc., nothing like that. Because I have got about 45 minutes now, I will throw open the floor to questions. Even if all of you are asking one question each, I don't think that 45 minutes will be sufficient. Anywhere, any question you ask me, absolutely no problem. To the best of my abilities, I will answer, or all of you are here to answer, no problem. Because all of you are doing GST. So there can be issues from law, there can be issues on the procedural matters, there can be issues on basic matters also. Sir, what is the rate of this particular product? Don't ask me that. Because no one can tell what is the rate of X commodity without the GST tariff book in your hand. GST tariff book. And sometimes rate issues are classification issues. Rate issues are classification issues. This particular light that you see here, this light in front of me, what is the rate of GST when it is sold fully intact? And what is the rate of GST when the bulb only is sold? This is made of iron. What is the rate when it is made of plastic? Sometimes the holder and the light cannot be sold separately. The holder and the light cannot be sold separately. What is the rate? That is goods I am talking. Take the case of services. Schools, colleges. What happens to the fees? What happens to the additional coaching fees? Books, shoes, belt, tie, supplied by school to the students, supplied by college to the students. How the treatment has to be given? What will be the impact on a school when it merely disposes of old newspapers or old library books to a Raddiwala? Is there a GST? Now, before opening up the floor, how many of you do audit of charitable entities? Charitable entities? Charities? Don't raise half. This means something else. Raise like this. Charities? Very less. Good. But don't do charity. The days of doing charity for a charity is over. That particular audit only is going to give you the most toughest of the times. This Maheshwari Bhavan, this is charity. Charity Bhavan na? Someone will be auditor. Apna hi Bhavan hai yaar, chalo. फंसाएंगे वही फिर. Because GST is not income tax. We don't look at charity, non-charity. Our eyes are closed. We only look at consideration. If it is exempted by the notification, exempt. Otherwise it is tax. No sir, charity sir, बेचारा गरीब आदमी. Government भी गरीब है, दे दो government को भी. So be very careful when you do charitable organizations, schools, colleges, education institutions, coaching classes. Every aspect there is an impact of GST. Health sector, hospitals. Who said there is no GST on hospital? There may be. So like that there will be hundreds of questions. Sir, I have only one client, sir. Only one hospital. you may have 10 questions in that. How the transaction is structured. That is why GST and accounting are almost interlinked. How you structure a transaction will play a major role in deciding whether the transaction is taxable transaction or exempted. So all these factors will have to be looked into when you do an audit of charities, hospitals, or exempted entities, or temples, mandir, masjid, whatever it may be. There may be an implication of GST, including government also. The GST has not left everyone, like the alarm sounded here, sabka baja ke rakha hai, irrespective of whoever it may be. So can we start questions? Question hour? Then Manish Gadia will come, Madhukar Hirgange will come, they will put PowerPoint and they'll explain to you class by class, because class by class is their job, not my job. You have any mic to me? Give me, I can take the questions from here itself.
Sir, I'll open the question.
Sir?
My first suggestion was,
Yeah.
GST has been somewhat complicated. Why do, in Maharashtra VAT, there were 5 schedules, say A, B, C, D, E. A means tax-free, B means on jewelry or gold, 1%, 2%, 0.5%. Like that, why we don't have a simplification process in the GST so that we understand whatever is left. Schedule E in the Maharashtra VAT previously was 12.5%. So why we don't have that type of system in the GST? Because that was somewhat easy. So like
Residuary category, 28%, like that.
Yeah, in Maharashtra VAT, what was happening? Schedule D was 20%. This wine and beer and cosmetics, all those were categorized under Schedule D. And
All
Schedule E
items.
was 12.5%, all remaining items, which are not listed in the A, B, C, D.
Yes, sir, good.
So that was one thing, so that could have waived off most of the debates.
Excellent.
Secondly, as you said, hospitals and all those things we can understand for the
answer?
Huh?
First question I'll answer now.
Yes, yeah.
Please be seated. The GST tariff is linked to the customs tariff. Yes? When you first see the tariff notes, what it says? It is linked to all the explanatory notes, all the heading notes, everything is related to customs tariff, yes or no? Yes. Now, if you go to customs tariff, the customs tariff is based on HSN, the Harmonized Systems Nomenclature of the World Customs Organization. Sir, you will have to handle your camera because I cannot stand in one place and act. I have to move like Madhuri Dixit. Okay? Now, if you take the HSN, each chapter is divided into various schedules and subschedules and subheadings. There are some 96 chapters. Indianized version I'm taking. If you take the original HSN of the World Customs Organization, it is huge. It runs up to 6 volumes. 6 volumes. Now, as you rightly said, the world is now relooking. The World Customs Organization is now starting to take a relook at the HSN itself. On the 2nd and 3rd of May, an open conference is being held in Brussels, where they are inviting people to attend that conference and suggest ideas to take a relook at the HSN itself. The first open conference. Fortunate I am also attending that program. Now, it is not that easy to put any or any other product in a residuary category unless and until it is known what it is. Sometimes it may so happen that a product which is of mass consumption may end up in a residuary category at a higher rate. And each product, let me tell you, sir, each product, it is a general debate happens. See, what we did, because in our great hurry to implement certain things, we did not look at it very closely. After that, we looked at it closely, like khakra, fafda, khandvi, jalebi, and we either exempted or reduced the rate, etc., etc., etc. We did like that. Because it is attached to customs, I cannot differentiate between the schedules also. If something is imported, the same head of GST has to be there. See, there is a commodity called balloon. This is what bachcho ki commodity, 1 rupya, 50 paisa वैसा. Originally, when GST was implemented, under customs, balloon was under different head. Under GST, they kept it under different head. without knowing, unknown error happened. There are few other commodities even today. Because balloon was nil excise duty. Balloon was nil VAT. In GST, it was 5%. And when it was imported, balloon was imported, the largest imports into India happened from Thailand and Sri Lanka for balloons. 12%. So when you import, the importers paid 12%, and when they are selling in India, they are charging 5%. So there is a mismatch, and 7% refund has to be given. This matter was taken up with the government, and immediately in the month of November, they came out with an amendment matching both the tariff headings. So, as you said, changes will continue to happen. It is never ending. Maybe a day will come. Even today, there is a residuary head. It is there. Even in customs, there is. There is a particular chapter heading which says, any other goods, whether it available, not available, future it may come, nowhere can be classified, is classified here. That's all. Your next question, sir? Any sub-question on this you can ask. Yes, sir.
Yeah, as you are aptly saying about the charitable institutions.
Yeah.
Hospitals and all that, they can have thinking of application of GST in a different manner. But what about the mandirs and churches and masjids that we are auditing? So what is the, for a mandir, you get a contribution, donations. Can you please brief in about these things, whether they are taxable from the GST angle anyway?
हेलो, हाँ, ये भी इसको भी ऑन कर दो. See, anything that we talk about temple, church, mosque, religion, no, in our country we have to be extremely careful. I am also on camera. You may record something and put it in WhatsApp. That's why I always tell the audience, don't record my speech. I am not free. I cannot tell what I want to tell sometimes. Majority of the countries in the world, sir, do not distinguish based on the places of worship. Places of worship. But as we said, we are a very diversified country. We are a very different country. We are not a country, we are a civilization, in fact. We have certain beliefs. I'll give you one example of a country, Singapore. In Singapore, even Tirupati Balaji pays tax. Every establishment has to pay tax. if it is exempted, the amount of tax that you have paid will be refunded to you. The exemption works that way there. So if you go and put some amount in hundi, tax has to be paid. 7% GST, Singapore, you have to pay. The government will give you back refund later on, that is different. Now here if you see, the word is supply, world over. We are not different. Supply for a consideration. Supply for a consideration. I was told, sir is one of the pillars of this branch. His services are as tall as he is to the branch. So you decide, since I am Vasai branch big man, I am going to donate one nice room for the temple next to the branch, assume. And the temple authorities then decide, it's very good, sir has donated so much amount of rupees. Let us keep let us name the room in his name itself. Let us put his name, so and so room or so and so hall. Now here, is there a consideration? I am asking you, is there a consideration? It is not CA examination. You can tell yes, no, don't know, 3 answers. Yes, no, don't know. Okay, yes, no is there. Yes, TK. See here, he has donated, but he did not insist that the room should be in my name. It is a voluntary wish of the people who took the money and said, okay, we will do it. Any other question? I will advise all of you to read one section daily. Sir, GST Purana ho gaya, aisa kuch nahi hai. Daily read one section. Take up one section, read one section daily. उसमें बहुत subsection रहे तो at least 2 subsection read daily, but without any disturbance, without any prejudice to your mind, just उसको लेके पढ़ो. That's all. Yes.
I have a technical question slightly. In case of a client who is exporting goods with and without LUT, so how do we, process those this thing in terms of the refund that a person is claiming? Because all of this will get captured in the GST audit. And
so why you want to adopt this 2 process? Why can't
the client has already done that. I can't undo what has been done.
Okay. Now what they are doing? Are they doing the same thing?
As of now, they're continuing because they have a lot of credit that is remaining in their IGST ledger because of the formula that gets applied in terms of tax, in terms of export turnover adjusted to upon adjusted turnover. So basically, because of the it's a technical issue, which is why they have a lot of credit that's being unutilized. And to utilize that, now they've adopted this process of going for exports, a few invoices with LUT, the balance without.
Don't ask them to do that. No, ask them to follow one procedure.
So they have a huge amount remaining that's unutilized, and that you will not get a refund back on that amount.
Then you stop issuing. Then you levy GST on all the export-related transactions. Take those credits. That is what you can do.
All right, that can be done going further ahead. But as
accumulated is there, no?
But as of now, for the invoices that has already been done, for the period that has already closed, say March 19 or March 18 for that matter, how do we deal with that?
Accumulated is there?
Yes.
You are carrying forward that?
Yes,
what
because it's a
prevents
very
you?
valid credit.
What
But there's no
prevents you?
utilization for that per se.
No,
So
now
they
the
have-
invoices that you are going to issue from April, May, June, July, August, etc., you levy GST, you set it off against that. Still you will have.
So, but this is going forward. I'm asking, what do we do? How do we get the calculations right
Manish.
going back?
क्या है? मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा. Why people should do like that? आओ ना यार, माइक पे आओ ना यार. जहाँ पे 2 हो ना, कभी भी प्रॉब्लम है.
Very true.
Sir,
True
you are
and correct.
I am not meaning anything. Manish, बोल.
What she's saying, now client has already done this in the 17-18.
Very
Maybe
true.
now onward 2021 when client came to her, she will restrict that. But what to do for 17-18 during the audit?
क्या करेंगे, कुछ नहीं कर सकते, जस्ट टेक इट फॉरवर्ड, दैट्स ऑल।
डीसी में नहीं आना चाहिए ना इसके लिए, that is like डीसी में नहीं आना चाहिए
उनका
इसके लिए
डीसी में
query
नहीं
है।
आएगा, उनका कैसे आएगा डीसी में, आएगा भी छोड़ देंगे यार।
So सर ये रिकॉर्ड कर लिया है वीडियो पे, this has been recorded.
यार वो सब मत करो सर। मैडम, नथिंग वी कैन डू नाउ, I cannot offer you any solution standing here in fact. I can only say just वो credit आपको it will be keeping on transferring, उसको देख के smile करते रहो, हाँ अच्छा है credit है, अच्छा है credit है, that's all, nothing you can do. Your client should have taken your advice before they did all these things, but unfortunately our client comes only on ventilator, है ना? I mean, or you can send me a mail, let's see, or we can talk to me over phone, let's see how we can find solution. Or so many of all are GST experts. Yes, madam. SCZ. Ah.
For those units, initially there was an issue with taking the letter of undertaking.
LUT.
Yeah, initially from July 17 till October 17, there were a lot of issues for letter of undertaking when they had to
No,
apply.
madam, I'll tell you, there is no issue.
Yeah, there was a bank
People
guarantee.
did not know
Yeah,
that it has to be done like
Yeah,
that. There's no
exactly.
issue at all.
yeah, but
now
there
tell
was
me.
lot of contravention on that, like kya karna hai and all.
Ah.
So in October, the GST Council came with a clarification that this is the procedure
LUT
where
le lo.
without bank guarantee you can do.
Yes.
So for what has happened is clients supplied in the CES unit without the LUT and not charging tax
ठीक है.
because of this contravention. And now when we are doing the audit, the query is, because the client is of the opinion, can we go for condonation on this since there was a
मैडम,
issue?
पुराना LUT ले सकते हैं ना आज भी?
That's what we want to confirm. पुराना LUT ले
ले लो।
सकते हैं, पुराना, because सर्विस टैक्स रिजीम में LUT का कॉन्सेप्ट
GST का ही बोल रहा हूँ मैं, सर्विस टैक्स में नहीं है
नहीं,
ना.
पुराना LUT I didn't get you.
July 1, we are talking on GST, not service tax.
Yeah, that's all.
हाँ,
पुराना
July
LUT
1,
नहीं था।
2017.
हाँ,
हाँ, you can't take LUT.
backdated LUT you're talking about.
Why you cannot take? Even today you can take. It is not backdated. क्या? ब्लॉक कर दिए क्या?
Yeah, you can take it for the next financial year.
ठीक है, they are blocked light.
So in that case, because the liability that comes, that जुलाई से लेके अक्टूबर तक, ठीक है, अक्टूबर के बाद जो अप्लाई करना था, that I take the responsibility के नहीं किया, but जुलाई से लेके अक्टूबर तक जो contravention था, in audit, do we have to declare that they had to pay the liability but they didn't pay?
Unfortunately, yes. Then
But department can't give any condonation on that because there were issues like that, and a lot of people have not applied for such LUTs. In
you
that
write
time.
you write na. You write to the committee. We'll see whether we can do anything on that.
Okay, so basically this is a issue which
can-
can be condoned. I can consider in that.
See, government can condone anything, madam. Government भगवान है.
way. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Mr. Right, यही है.
सर जी मेरा एक छोटा सा रिक्वेस्ट है, आप जीएसटी वालों के पास जाते हैं ना, उनको ये बोलो
मैं जाता
कि नहीं सुनो, आप कमेटी में हो,
हाँ, मैं GST वालों के पास जाता हूँ, ठीक है.
सुनो।
हाँ, बोलिए प्लीज, बोलिए. हाँ, चालू है.
सर लोगों का जीएसटी से भरोसा उठ रहा है,
भरोसा?
उठ रहा है सर. वो लोग डेट पे डेट दे रहे हैं. अभी 20 तारीख था,
हाँ.
20 तारीख था, अभी 21 महीने 22 महीने से यदि सिस्टम प्रॉपर नहीं हो रहा है तो सर इसमें अपन किसका लेंगे? यदि आप एक दिन क्लाइंट लेट करता है तो अपन उससे 50 रुपए बाइज्जत भरवा रहे हैं. यदि सिस्टम में आपका 3 दिन लेट हो रहा है
कल
तो आप कुछ
व्हाट्सएप देखा क्या? एक फोटो वीडियो आया था.
नहीं व्हाट्सएप वो ठीक है सर, व्हाट्सएप ट्विटर सब देख रहे हैं, पर उनको देख देखेगा ना, क्लाइंट तो अपने में भड़क रहे हैं ना
ठीक है,
सर.
ठीक,
अपन
बोलो.
एक दिन लेट होता है.
बोलिए,
और
बोलिए,
प्लस में सर आप अभी जैसे 30 जून दिया हुआ
हाँ.
है ऑडिट का,
हाँ.
ये मैं लिख के देता हूँ 30 जून भी बढ़ने वाला है, तो क्यों अपनी फिर इंसल्ट करवा रहे हैं अपन? अपना लोग अपने को गाली दे रहे हैं. ये रियल बोलो, ये रियल पॉइंट है. लोग सीए से भरोसा उठ रहे हैं.
हाँ.
मैं मेरा प्रैक्टिकल बोलता हूँ, बोलता है क्या है सर वो डाटा भेजो ना. क्यों टेंशन लेते हो, डेट बढ़ने वाली है. अपना इंसल्ट हो रहा है सर. इसलिए मैं क्या बोलता हूँ कि 21 महीने से आपका सिस्टम मजबूत नहीं हुआ है. आप बीएससी एनएससी की साइट पे जाइए सर, इतना ट्रेडिंग होता है, 1 सेकंड के लिए होल्ड नहीं होता। आप इधर ट्रेड डालिए, इधर आपको दिखता है।
कितने रजिस्टर्ड स्टॉक मतलब
नहीं, मैंने सुनो सर, मैं क्या बोलता हूँ कि यदि किसी साइट का नहीं हो रहा है 21-22 महीने से ना, तो सर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बदलिए। अपन, मेरा सजेशन नहीं जा सकता है, मैं आपके थ्रू सजेशन देना चाहता हूँ। या तो आप डेडलाइन मत डालिए, यदि डेडलाइन है तो आप किसी भी हालत में सर उस सिस्टम को सही करके क्लाइंट का डाटा लीजिए। किसी सर 10 तारीख को भी नहीं
योर
चलता।
पॉइंट वेल टेकन, वी आर
हाँ, मैं सिर्फ सजेशन है सर कि रिक्वेस्ट है।
सही है, व्हाट यू आर टेलिंग इज करेक्ट। वी आर वर्किंग। सी, भाई तुम बार बार डरा देते हो यार, तुम रिकॉर्डिंग करके। रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हैं क्या? See, institute is in direct contact with the government, whoever is the authority who is implementing it. Continuously we speak to them, we write to them, formally, informally we have discussion with them. But वो क्या होता है ना सर, India is not a country. मेरे words आप सुने, India is not, we are a civilization. We are not a country. Whole world is India. Most brilliant people are sitting in this hall. The commercial capital of India. One side is cultural capital of India, Kolkata. कुछ नहीं लेना है पढ़ने से ना पढ़ने से, हम तो सिर्फ गाने में मस्ती करेंगे. Another side is political capital of India, only politics. Another side is intellectual capital of India, from where I come, only studies, सिर्फ किताबें पढ़ते रहो. Another place is international capital of India, Kerala. In every house, one person is outside India. So, international capital of India. And connectivity, lot of issues are there. Sometimes it is because of our own making. Yes, and in the whole world, India is the first country in the world with the largest number of registered tax-paying assessees. Whole of Europe you take, sir, is much lesser than Indian registered assessees. Even there are problems. Even there are extensions. ठीक है, India से कम रहेंगे, but there are still there. So, I mean, yes, it is very difficult. We say, देखो IRCTC में टिकट 1 सेकंड में बुक हो जाते हैं. Stock exchange terminal is very fast. Yes, I agree with you fully. But there you deal with certain class of people. Certain class. Here you don't deal with class. You deal with classes. Dhirubhai Ambani's company also files the same return. Poor fellow Rajendra Kumar also files the same return. He goes to the same computer. So it is difficult. This exercise is continuous. In the days to come, we expect it to stabilize. We expect it to stabilize, but don't expect any stability in law. Please, I am telling you even today, this is a law which is a dynamic law. It will keep amending, I'll come to you, it will keep changing. And it will keep you active, overactive, never inactive. Yes, sir.
Sir, under section 69, there is commissioner has power to arrest on his reasons
Power to
that he believes.
issue an order to arrest.
Okay, power to issue an order to arrest. One of the case, arrest was done, and after a week he was released. Means reasons were found not to be tenable in law. So what can be done? This is kind of a draconian law. That on his
Because-
reasons to believe, he can arrest, he can
Yes.
issue summons, and if he can issue summon and make an arrest done.
The inspector of central excise had the power. This power was there in service tax also. It is now transferred to GST also.
So, but don't you find it can be a draconian and
Why should I find it? Why? What I got to do?
नहीं.
Industry चुप है, मैं क्या बोलूँगा?
no? But in such cases where
ASSOCHAM, FICCI, CII, trade bodies, associations, Chamber of Commerce, they are not telling anything. What is my problem?
okay.
It's not my problem. I'm telling you, sir, I'm telling to my friend, certain things which are not our problem, we should not speak at all.
This is a problem. Yes.
And I appreciate your concern. Your concern is there, I appreciate.
Sir, one of
But
the
why I
clients
should
got,
tell the government a draconian law इसको हटाओ रहने दो उसको.
no, sir, one of the client got arrested. He was in jail for a week.
Very good.
Then he was released when it was found that
शांति में जाओ बोलिए.
then it was found that reasons were
It
not
was
tenable
then you have the power to go to court ना.
against department.
मानहानि के मानहानि का डाल दो मुकदमा चलता रहेगा कमिश्नर जूझता रहेगा उसका रिटायरमेंट होने तक पेंशन नहीं मिलेगा रिटायरमेंट के बाद नहीं मिलेगा डाल दो let him come to the court and say these are the reasons to believe let the court decide reason to believe सही है नहीं है तो court will certainly find fault with him ना
Okay.
you can't do tell the client अभी फाइल करो कमिश्नर के ऊपर बजाओ उसका बाजा
And one more, sir.
जी
In a case there wrong was done, for example, client has done something wrong. If an officers get violent and अगर कुछ हाथ भी उठा दिया उसके ऊपर,
जोर से थप्पड़ मार दिया
yes sir,
हाँ
उतने पे भी नहीं रुका और आगे गया.
थप्पड़ नहीं
हाँ सर, ज़्यादा.
थप्पड़ से भी आगे क्या हो सकता है ठीक है
So sir, in such cases, means client is agreeing, okay, I have done something wrong, I'll pay the department. Is there any power that officers can do such things, or is there any safeguard for assessees that they can go against such kind of behavior? This has been done, sir. As soon as
to the same client
No, different. First client in Feb, the other client.
I don't want to go to third client wait
Yes, sir.
Sir, this is the power of search.
Yeah.
When a search is happening,
Yes.
the officer has power of all these things. Search. Search हुआ है क्या?
No, sir, this was without search warrant.
Without search warrant. How? जो थप्पड़ मारा वो रियल में ऑफिसर था और कोई था?
Officer, sir. And higher level.
Search. It should be search.
No, sir, there was no
should be a
search.
Without that, no one can. I don't think that is right. Camera अपना लगा दो सब जगह पे. Wherever your clients' officers are there. It is only in search.
Okay.
Especially only DGCA officers. That's all. I don't think.
DGCA, sir.
And then they should have issued you a warrant. No.
There was, sir, summon, only summon.
Huh? Now.
But
now
summon
only
was attained, sir.
Now only are coming. So, which means you are summoned to their office.
Yes, sir.
Your client was summoned to their office
Yes, sir.
for giving certain
Evidences.
statements and all those
Yes,
things,
sir.
isn't it? So there they have like he was beaten up.
Yes, sir.
That power is there with them, no? It is there in the law.
In law,
Yeah, it is there.
on
You
basis
can.
of summon. Okay.
They can arrest also immediately. They can detain, arrest, everything
sir.
they can do.
Power for arrest is there, but if after a week they are leaving it, finding reasons for not
You
tenable.
filed in court. उसको कोर्ट में लेके आओ.
Okay.
एक तो करो, the whole thing will keep quiet.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Last question, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, sir, in service tax, we had left with a huge amount of refund, and we forget to claim it in Tran 1.
एक साल का था ना वो रिफंड का?
Yes.
एक साल का ही था ना? एक साल के पहले फाइल करना पड़ता है ना? हाँ, ठीक है. ट्रान 1 आपने लिया ही नहीं?
Tran 1 नहीं लिया है, sir. तो is there any solution for that? Can we claim it in service tax or either way of in Tran?
ट्रांसफर हो गया. बस ना खत्म. राम नाम सत्य है. ओवर. नथिंग यू कैन डू. नथिंग यू कैन डू. उसको देख के खुश रहो, स्माइल करो. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Time
Thank
हो
you.
गया. Thank you. Thank you very much. I enjoyed talking to all of you. Thank you.